Urukiko rukoyirwe mu gomborero y'akaharo rwebembirwe RDC wa Kabale Godfrey Nyakahuma hamwe n'abana barukwatwaho niho habeririho kurabura abarukora ibintu ebi. Julius Musinguzi Oversight Manager ashoborire bimwe habizubu ebi barukora bamu ahabwo bushumobu.
Imwe abantu turimo kubasa kutuyamba turangicara gukora n'abashije ba UPDF uka ihanga tirine basirikare bo kuzabona umurongote itwe abantu nito twine kurinda ki.
And in the deliberation we resolve that the police immediately picks up the information which was already being given by Mr. Musinguzi regarding vandalism. So we picked up quite a very good lead of how some bodabodas were being used to transport some of these stolen angle bars and bolts from this pylon site.
Bogero nadi orkwebembere byo kwerinda ha Uganda Electricity Transmission Company Limited nagira ngo abarakwatwe bine mshango yamani kandi nebifibiro ndibahango.
When these cases are investigated, the reason why I came is to investigate specifically and find out who are these characters who are vandalizing this infrastructure. And we have very good clues already. Some have already been arrested. And I can assure you that these people will be taken to Kampala and will be charged in the standards and utilities court at Machindi. And if we find that one of the suspects maybe is a repeat offender, he has ever been arrested over the same incidents, he will be convicted and sentenced to 15 years imprisonment or a fine of 2 billion Ugandan shillings.
He led us to about 4 other scrap dealers within Kabale town who had provided markets for these stolen parts.
RDC Godfrey Nyakahuma na jangu bariyoni bakora cyone cyubasika bakuremesa bari kwenda kuremesa ntunguka.
Government interested nyingi konka omuntu obushema atarugoneza ibyadeje birungi naijana abakuremesa government naijana ataruko kusise bitu ya government imirongo tekeje government yepozi.
Project Teji ikamaraho miliyoni za dola 83 Islamic Development Bank kandi ne ya kilomita 88 n'obutonyeza butano eziri kugita Mirama na Kabale Power Substation kandi haba CCC International Engineering no bakwasibwe gukora transmission line kandi Silex Engineering Limited yakora Kabale Station omwaka guhire ubucoka cyane na mwenda nibwo bire bwakozwe gashoka job namanya.